My goodness.
Today we're replacing our rear shocks from our Jeep Liberty. It's 2004. These were originally put in with a lift kit, a 2.5 to 3 inch lift kit, so bigger springs. I believe the travel on these is 22 inches. As you can see, zero oil pressure left, so obviously we blew out the oil seal off the top, and oil released all the pressure. Upper bolts come out nice and easy, a little bit of penetrant, and they spin off. The bottom ones seem to be a little bit tougher because of the metal and the rubber together with the corrosion. We had to tap it out, but it's an 18 mil nut and a 16 15 mil threaded lost my words bolt. We've blocked out the frame so that we create travel in the rear axle. Now with the new shocks being fully compressed, we can control the height of the axle with our floor jack. Put it all back together. It's quite an easy job. It is a two-man job because of some of the corrosion that's built up. We've been using double breaker bars and long ratchets to loosen them and get them off. So 2 people is probably preferable. And yeah, that's it. We've got our new shocks mounted, everything's in place, all the bolts have been tightened with our impact drill. We're just going to go and just give them a little bit of an arm ratchet test, just to make sure we're kind of all the way in with the lag bolts. That side is good. So these 2 bolts are both the same size. They're both 17 mil. The inside nut on the bottom one is actually these are 15 mil bolts on the outside, and the outside one is outside lower nut is 18, and we are ready to put our wheel back on.